another super late edit for this vlog. Ano siya ngayon? December 8th. Kailan tayo nagpunta December 1, di ba? December 1, nagpunta kami sa outlets. Tapos ito yung vlog na to, pero late na yung edit. So enjoy the vlog. Masyado sigurong maikli or mahaba, depende sa editing ko. So, Timothy, he's in France?
Yes!
That's the intro?
He's in no, he's in New York.
See? Okay, so
Oh, good.
we forced the parents to go so I can take pictures again. Yes? Oh my gosh, okay.
I'm gonna wear.
That's my shoes! What? What are you? Oh. Where is it? Merelo daw at saka... Ano pala? Freaking. She, if it would focus on you, has a mission on changing on who I am. She already changed my style. She's changing my taste in music. And she's trying to make me remember that it's about what?
She told me there's no sun outside.
Okay.
I said it's about the style, not the purpose. I can't even see through these.
Okay. We just bought those. Yeah, it does.
I look good.
Okay.
That's about the only time I say that.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to outlets.
We're gonna bring a speaker because we're gonna piss Daddy off.
Yeah, she actually looks like a girl. This is her future, though she's gonna go to what?
I'm gonna do film school.
Yeah, not photography anymore. Oh, I thought it was different. What's that? What's that? Is that yours?
Camera.
Is that yours?
Yeah, my mask was weird.
Okay. Nakamask ka, hindi
Oh
naman
my
kita.
God, look at them.
Ang ganda pa naman.
Oh my gosh, look at the goals. Okay, so we are now at... Jeez, ako may picture. Are you taking a picture of me? Didn't even know. She's really loving this. Ow! Oh, Jesus. They have matching masks.
It smells bad. This is dirty.
Yeah, you asked. What happened?
Oi, kaya.
I
Hooray!
just took a bath.
You did.
I look good.
Okay,
I told you I wanted. I'm gonna give it up
I became a mom
for like 5 seconds.
because of this. This. Just ask, sis. Where are they? Are they being
Right?
Yeah. Raining. Why do you want my YouTube channel to grow?
Well, that's how we earn money.
Oh, okay. I wanna look for for that resto bar.
Okay,
Pumasok na si Daddy.
let's just go. Don't even.
Yeah, dude. No,
Chosen beer?
we're looking for
found
yung
beer.
resto bar.
I found beer.
No,
I want beer.
shut up.
I've always wanted to try the purple beer. I don't know what's in it.
Food.
Can I buy just one shoe?
One show.
One shoe. Just one.
One
shoe.
shoe.
Just one shoe. Where the flavor? No.
Chubby Chubby Cafe de la Pa. If you were watching the vlog since December 25 of 2019, you would know that, yeah, you would know that we went here and I took the same shot walking to World Balance
And we're crying over not getting shoes.
with you know who. Wait!
Sabi ni Mami, Makdo. Makdo na naman. Jollibee naman.
Chowking! Hindi, bawal para si Mami sa Chowking. Chowking! Gonna buy coffee, dude. Yun na lang yung pinunta natin dito, promise.
Yan, dito.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they
Aray ko! Nahulog na! Hoy! Tumba kaya kita dyan!
That's a cold brew.
You want a what?
A cold brew.
Cold brew? Oh, it's a wrong day to wear bell bottoms. Oh my gosh, I'm so wet. How much is that?
150.
What?
150.
150?
150.
I've been doing this with my mask on.
Can you open it with your finger? It wouldn't open.
Okay, update on my bell bottoms. It's wet
I was where it's called from.
and my feet are soaked because
You all see that?
H&M.
H&M. They won't let me go inside.
And as much as I love these shoes, it has holes which cause my feet
Yo,
to be wet.
this is abuse. They won't let me go inside H&M.
Dude, you don't. Oh, I love that pants. Hey, it's you? It's you, ba? Okay. It's gross, but dude, my feet are soaking wet. Those are my shoes. Come on, dude! Nagpapatayo ako ng patulak. Okay na. Tama na to.
Gilakad. Dapat lahat ng...
Hiyang-hiya na ako sa pinagagawa ko sa buhay. Sa aking mga future na estudyante, huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Huwag kayo magsusuot ng sapatos na butas. Okay.
Dapat may bayad ako.
I have her. She has mommy and daddy's alone. Oh. Daddy.
You're violating the law.
Jesus Christ.
I look like a rich
This is Super Meal and her. Look at mommy.
See, since I haven't been playing Wendy songs, it's doing it.
We're home. Moving photos.